Okay, two major problems today. Number one, finally the GoPro has given up. My GoPro 8 stopped working. I don't know what happened to it. It's not starting up. Since the time we taken it to Khardungla Pass, while coming down, it stopped working. It doesn't switch on. Which is great news because now I'm eligible to
Upgrade.
buy a GoPro 9 and smash this. Like, I have so much of frustration on this. I really wanted to put it on the road and ride my bike through it. Seriously, I had to capture so many nice scenic routes yesterday while coming down from Khardungla Pass, but couldn't do it because of this bullshit camera. It doesn't switch on now. Thank God we had backup. We are sorted. We have GoPro 9. Thanks to Chaitanya for helping me with this. Hopefully this lives up.
Were you able to get a battery door?
Oh, that was one issue. Iska bhi wahi problem hai. I can't put the battery door if you plug in the mic. I adjusted the GoPro 8's battery door. Hopefully it should work. I hope it doesn't fall off. Now the second problem is we are getting a lot of news that Leh to Manali highway is blocked. Not completely, but I think after Sarchu the highway is blocked. That's kind of a problem because we have to go via that route. Taking Leh to Srinagar route is longer and it's also boring because we've already done it. Now we're still thinking whether to go today. I think we're sorted. We're going today, but I think we'll be going through Leh Srinagar route. Leh to Manali is a little bit risky. I spoke to some of my friends who did Leh Manali. They told me not to take it if it is raining. Thing is, it rained heavily in the last 2-3 days and it seems our roads are like washed out in some places. I have experience in that road. Last time when I came to Leh, I took Leh to Manali highway and I know for sure that it is really crazy. They're not river crossings, they're like waterfall crossings. It's a little bit challenging for sure.
I think our goal is different right now. The goal is
Yeah,
to
we
get
don't want-
back
we don't want
home
adventure
soon as
this time.
possible. Ride is done.
We're done with the ride. We want to get back home soon as possible. We don't want any adventure now. I think we're picking up that Leh to Srinagar highway today. Let's see if anything changes. I'll tell you.
मनाली के बाद आएंगे थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है पर काम भी चल कर दे रहे हैं सर।
आप ये बता रहे हो कि अगर दोपहर 12 बजे से पहले आए तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज थोड़ा पानी ज़्यादा है।
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी, उसके बाद पानी बढ़ सकता है, सबसे दिक्कत आएगी सर। ले से आप शाम को चले, अर्ली मॉर्निंग आप 3-4 बजे सरसू पहुँचे तो वहाँ से अगर क्रॉस कर ले तो पानी थोड़ा कम होता है ना सर।
अच्छा,
यादों की मशीन भी होती है उस टाइम तो इजीली क्रॉस कर पाएंगे सर।
आफ्टर 12 o'clock తర్వాత వాటర్ ఫోర్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది, అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫైన్.
Who is that?
డిజాస్టర్ రికవరీ సర్చు నుంచి ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ యూ స్టార్ట్ సో దట్ యూ కెన్ క్రాస్ మనాలి.
Roads are fine.
Roads are fine. In case if there is water flow, BRO team is already there helping. In case if you are stuck, BRO team will help you to get cross. Let's do it.
So let's do Sarchu today. Plan change again. I think we're not doing Srinagar. We're doing Leh to Manali. But Leh to Sarchu first. We're going to stay in Sarchu today and tomorrow we'll be doing Manali.
That's where my question comes.
Sarchu I think 200 kilometers from here.
Before the water rises, you cross to all those another.
Okay, early morning కొట్టేద్దాం. Around 5:36 వెళ్ళిపోతే better.
Chalo, right.
So let's start. Okay, hit it. Chapu, hit it. It seems I forgot something in the room and Chaitanya will tell me only after I start the engine. Doesn't matter. I said okay, fine. Sabko late hoga. Anyways, yeah, we finally decided to go via Manali only, but today we'll be doing Sarchu. And oh yes, I even lowered my seat because I heard the route is damaged completely. It's gonna be quite an adventure. And as you can see, I'm using the GoPro 9 now because the 8 is not working. Let's see. I'm not sure if the audio is gonna get captured and all. I'm just trying my luck out. Now the seat is much lower. If you remember in one of my vlogs, I made it flat for the highway. When I did that, सामने का थोड़ा ऊपर हो गया and because of that, I was not able to reach my legs properly. अभी proper flat foot हो रहा because I made it lower, but then it is little bit declined again. Leaving Ladakh Sarai, this is the hotel we were staying in. 10:55 we had to start at literally 7 a.m. Now literally 3 hours late. We don't need Enduro Pro today. We just need Dynamic Pro. Temperature is a nice 21 degrees. Morning it was like super clear skies, but as you can see everything changes like within an instant here. Full on cloudy ho gaya. We are expecting some really good rains. Let's move. Pona? Bye bye Leh. Let's reset onboard computer. No, let's reset trip computer. Okay, 252 kilometers to Sarchu, 6.5 hours to reach. That means right now time is 11. We should reach by 5:30 in the evening. That is what Google shows. But if there is that sand and all So I heard there is a lot of sand and all that just before entering Sarchu. So in case we encounter that, I don't know if Google is taking all that into account. I think it's gonna get a little bit late. I don't know, too much of hype is going on YouTube and WhatsApp forwards about this route. Let's go and find it out. That's what we all decided. जो होगा देखा जाएगा. ऊपर अल्लाह, नीचे धरती, बीच में है मेरा जुनून. Okay, so first plan was actually to go through Leh Srinagar route, but now we've decided to take the risk. So we checked with BRO and disaster management, and they told that it is doable. In case we need help, they'll assist. Only thing is the disaster management people, they don't know that we are on bikes. Maybe they're thinking we are coming via cars. You told bikes, huh? But even if it's bikes, they might think that it's like normal chota sa bikes, not like 500-pound bikes. Okay, till date, in this entire trip, this is the highest range I've seen on the GSA. 795 range. And that I didn't even top it up completely. Like 100 rupees bach gaya. Still it is showing 795 at 29.4 kilometers per liter mileage. Average speed 67 kilometers per hour. We are started and very happy with the bike. 1250cc ka gaadi. That 140 bhp. 140 bhp. Giving 30 kilometers per liter is like next level amazing, amma. 796, 4 more kilometers to touch 800 range. 799, come on. 800. Yes, we see 800. Oh my god, 800 range. Oh, we don't need fuel, bro. 800 range. You want petrol bunk iddam akoncham? Okay, ఇప్పుడు స్లో అవగానే 799 పడ్డది. I'll not top up till Manali. You guys go enjoy. Okay, so air pressure दोनों का कम है थोड़ा. Mine shows 34.7 in the front, 38.5 in the back. It should be 42 in the rear and 37 in the front. इसका भी ऐसे ही है. But I'm saying let's leave it like that because we'll have a lot of off-road. We have air compressor. One of the most beautiful routes in our Ladakh series is definitely Sonamarg to Leh. It is very beautiful. You have to do that by road once in a lifetime. I'm not saying you have to do it by bike. You can do it in the car as well, but you shouldn't miss that. And then the next most beautiful and adventurous route is definitely Leh to Sarchu to Manali. Till Manali, you will be going through amazing Himachal, through Jispa Valley and all that, which looks like next level beautiful, dude. Today till Sarchu, I don't know how the roads are. Forget about the roads, but the scenery is mind blowing. At least that was how it was when we went last time in 2018. So we've done 60 kilometers till now from the hotel room, and we've been riding for 1 hour, including 20 minutes of a break time. We had to sort out shipping and all that. Oh yes, we have to go back. Unfortunately, you know, I wanted to really do, all of us wanted to really do Hyderabad to Ladakh and back home. But then I told you about the emergency, right? So we have to cut short the journey by 1 week. Nasha is like 50% recovered, but still very weak. You know how it feels, right? Not able to concentrate much. Not enjoying the trip completely. I know she's okay, feeling better and all that. She's improving, but you know, as a parent, I need to be there. It's not forget about need to be there. I want to be there. 166 kilometers left to Sarchu. We are gonna pass Changlangla Pass in another 10 or 15 minutes, I guess. I don't think we'll be stopping there. Okay, this is the situation here. A lot of nice, beautiful looking ice, but we have a little bit of slush and a little bit of bad roads, potholes, water, everything possible, but doable. Bang, 66 kilometers. I heard that is where the roads are effed up. There's no road, there's only sand. No, I think it's already stopped. Oh shit. You see this scene here? I don't even know how did it stop there. Scary yaar. I wanna go back. నా బండి వెనక్కి కూడా రావట్లేదు దున్నపోతూ. जा सकते రా వచ్చేయండి రా. ఓకే బీ కేర్ఫుల్ దట్స్ స్కేరీ యార్. Hope the driver or whoever was in the truck was fine. But I still don't understand how did it stop there? By the way, while coming, we saw one person who was a cyclist who was doing Kerala to Sri Lanka.
Singapore.
Singapore?
Kerala to Singapore.
Kerala to Singapore.
And
That's
now he's
like
here.
mad.
This is not even like the
It's
shortest
not even
way.
on the way. Like this, you need to go literally up, then take a right, come down, go through northeast, then
Yeah.
go down, Myanmar and all that. I'm not even sure if Myanmar is open
And
to
imagine
travel.
how much chain loop he'll need.
He needs to dip his chain as Maggie Muchal. I was just wondering, when we do long rides on the bike, literally from our house ka gate se Hyderabad se coming to Ladakh and all that, we ourselves think like we're doing something like epic. But then we come across these people who are on cycles, who are doing these things by foot. That's like really next level. I think we have to up our game, bro. Yeah, Hyderabad,
No,
Ladakh,
that's for the
Hyderabad
rally
ho gaya
cyclists.
bahut. Anyways, we just stopped here for some Maggie break. We are at 17,500 feet now.
That's what it says on that board.
ఇలా ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు వేస్తున్నారా నోటికి వచ్చి నెంబర్ వేస్తున్నారు ఫోన్ నెంబర్ కొట్టినట్టు 17,000 feet ఉందాం మరి ఐ డోంట్ ఫీల్ దట్ ప్రెషర్ హియర్ బట్ యా వీ డి నాట్ మిస్ నూబ్రా సో వీ డింట్ డూ నూబ్రా ఐ వాస్ వరీడ్ దట్ Chaitanya did not do Nubra, but still Nubra looks exactly like this with plain lands left and right and a nice road. Only difference is this flat land would be joining the road as well. You can literally take your bike. You can see a, what do you call this, declination. You can literally take your bike and there will be more sand. It's like a proper desert. This one doesn't look like a desert. It looks like a river bed. Once upon a time there might be a seabed here. Who knows, millions of years back. What a beautiful road with the beautiful scenic locations, bros. Nice, amazing clouds, blue skies, like rich blue skies. After drinking whiskey, riding is risky. Pro code. लंच ब्रेक थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, ऑलमोस्ट 1 hour. I mean, one of the best routes I've ever done in my life. I thought Sonamarg to Leh is like really beautiful, no doubts about it. It is, but I'll give rank 1 to this. Like, seriously man, look at this. So beautiful. Plain lands, nice road in the middle. This looks like something out of a Hollywood movie. I know I've done this route before, but somehow I'm not able to recollect. That Samne wala hill looks like a poster, like a 3D poster. Super plain lands all around. I was seriously saying, if I had to design a road or a trip on a computer for myself, it would be like this. Like seriously dude, look at it. So freaking beautiful. Amazing road. The road quality is next level. I mean, all these days I've been saying next level, but this is truly next level. Perfect roads, perfect scenery, perfect mountains, and it's like I'm inside. I'm doing a simulator. I'm doing a virtual thing, like 16 degrees AC on karke, perfect temperature. Hooray! Arey! Mad! This is mad! Arey! This is sudden. రే ఇప్పుడే కదా 1 minute, like 10 seconds back it was different. Bridge ఉంది and ఈ మట్టి ఉండే. This was all like chota stones last time when we came 2018 mein. And now they put a proper road, tar road. So basically the stones you see on the left, those were here. Remember, these stones were here. I somehow don't remember everything else that we did before, the planes and all that. And somehow I remember this one. Wow. 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 not Grand Canyon, but a mini canyon. Landscape is changing so fast. Like it was plains, then we got some ghats, and now valleys. Oh, graphic. This is all graphical. It's not real, okay? I'm trying to do some graphics here. My editing. It's all fake. It can't be so beautiful. Don't worry. Yeah, I only put it, okay, in my editing. Chudandra, this looks like Godzilla's place. Godzilla's birthplace and namayechu. बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत खूब. Yeah, this looks like Spiti Valley actually. అరే నీళ్ళు పడుతున్నారు. Okay, we took a quick break here. Time is 4:30. We have 4 more hours of light, but I think from here it's going to be 50 kilometers. Sarcho is 50 kilometers, and it's going to probably take us 2 hours to 3 hours. And it seems the road is pretty bad from here, like exactly like what you're seeing right now. And it is pretty cold, 13 degrees right now. We met some riders who told us that it's pretty bad. The road is very bad. A lot of big potholes and stuff. Surprising that it will take 3 hours to reach Sarchu. Just like 50 kilometers from here. Whoa. Now I understand why will it take 3 hours. Oops. We are stuck. 1 second. सिग्नल अभी 1-2 घंटे तो नहीं है. సిగ్నల్ కావాలంటే ఇడికి పోయి నన్ను అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నన్ను సిగ్నల్ అడుగుతుండు వాడు. వారం నుంచి నా మాడిపోయిన మసాలా దోశ నేను తింటుంటే ఆపి సిగ్నల్ ఉందా? Oh yes. Where is it written? Gata loops. The famous Gata loops start. We have 21 loops here. Finally we reached Gata loops, around 21 loops it seems. Search was around I think 39 kilometers, but you know the problem is there's so many ghats, as you can see, too many loops. Because of that it will take a lot of time. Your average pace is going to be very low, and that's going to take us I think 2 hours. Yes, 39 kilometers, 2 hours. Sounds crazy, but that's how it's going to be. We're enjoying the ride pretty well. Feeling very hungry right now because I had just a little bit of Maggi for lunch break. Chocolate flavored chocolate lanti biscuits.
Sunfeast wala bounce.
Sunfeast bounce, huh? Fake bounce ankona.
Biscuit undi. Cream edi?
Biscuit hai, cream nahi hai. Portion control. And if I remember correctly, same road, I think a little bit somewhere over there. Last time when we came to Ladakh, I know I'll be repeating this a lot of times. Last time we came to Ladakh. But exactly somewhere over there we stopped and we did a small photo shoot. And lighting was really good that time compared to this right now. Because that time, by the time we reached this place, it was around, I think 7 o'clock. Sun was setting, we had that nice sunset orange color. It is all white. Not nice.
నా ఫ్రంట్ సస్పెన్షన్ మట్టి మార్క్ చూడు అంత కిందకి వెళ్ళింది సస్పెన్షన్.
మట్టి మార్క్ full downward. Oh yeah, we have a small issue in the GS. Brake oil खत्म हो गया somehow.
सर्विस किया फिर से.
Service के बाद भी not acceptable. The issue is we don't have a rear brake on the GS. I think that is to do with the rear brake oil. The fluid has gone completely. Front brake to chal raha, so I think he's able to manage right now. Thing is, there's going to be a lot of off-road. You see this? There's no oil in it. You're able to manage with the front brake? Good. Okay, nice. I think from here we have those bad patches. It's a lot of sand. Nice, tasty sand, you know. We need to find roads here first. Oh, this is the sand pitch. Pura sand. Dust. Inka undra, that side is pura sand. Abhi ek patch aaya tha which is okay, but I can see a lot of sand over there. That whole road you see, that whole thing is proper sand. I'm expecting. Let's see, another 10 kilometers only from here to Sarchu. The biggest problem is I can't even close my visor. Dark visor problems. అరే మీ అయ్యా పక్కకి వెళ్ళరా అంత టైర్లు వేసుకున్నావు. You literally need to find the road here. ట్రక్ వస్తుంది శివ చూసి. సీరియస్లీ రిస్కీ. So people are making their own roads. Arre, seriously, I can't see anything. Alright. Yeah, but I can't see it. Correct, but I couldn't see it. Shit. ఏం చేస్తారా వీళ్ళు రోడ్ని? ఏం చేద్దాం అనుకున్నారు? ఎవరి కాడ రోడ్ వేసుకున్నారు. ట్రక్స్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ దేర్, ట్రక్స్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ హియర్, దేర్ ఇస్ వన్ రోడ్ దేర్. Okay, we are done with that crazy patch. Last month there was a crazy patch, like thick sand, like at least 10 inches deep sand, but I couldn't record because I don't want to take out my hand off the handle. It was on a scale of 10, difficulty was around 7 to 8. Go Charan, go Charan. आगरा foot. Oh shit. छोटा सा water crossing है. Actually we need momentum, but can't help it now. Lot of jam here, lot of water here. Water is so cold. Ow. Come on. Tricky yaar. Come on. I switched it on. GoPro is working. Exactly the same situation last time. Crazy dude. Come on. Yes. Oh shit. Crazy night. It was genuinely scary, dude. Genuinely. I mean, there was nice adrenaline rush, but still, out of all the experience, I think this was one of the most adventurous, especially because there was no momentum. Chincho, voice agipoyindi. Suddenly green. See, because we are entering Himachal in 3, 2, 1. This is Himachal Pradesh. I reached Sarchu. I think our camp should be somewhere over here. Either say road TK, but tomorrow Sarchu to Manali should be kind of tricky. It seems there are no river crossings, but bad roads. Okay, we are properly in Sarchu now. We need to find the place called Gold Drop Camping. This place is also very beautiful, but thing is you can't do anything much here. No activities, nothing. You just have a camp, stay for the night if you're going to Manali, just for sleeping. Pashmina aage. Yes, that is Gold Drop written in gold color. Hi ra. Are kindaki veltundra. Okay, finally we reached Sarchu. Where is the camera? That is the valley. This part was like really crazy.
Charangarh Valley.
And there are some nice snow caps as you can see there. Right now I think it's around, what is the bike showing? 11 degrees. I think I'm expecting raat mein it is gonna go to at least 1 degree. Yesterday we saw the temperature on Google. It shows -1. So we are expecting very cold nights today. Setting up for the photo shoot. And there is the problem. Remote key battery at 50%. There's a brand new bike and we still get this problem. This needs to be fixed by BMW. No function impairment, but still. Why does this happen? Do a recall for this. Do something about this. Just like 2 months old bike. This is not acceptable, bro. This is our paristiti right now. We are in Sarchu and temperature might be around 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 degree. बाहर तो आराम से will have 1 degree. Look at all of us. Triumph insulated gloves once again back to action. Inner thermals भी है. And then one t-shirt and उसके ऊपर this one. हमारा typical red jacket.
Glycogen layer.
We have छोटा सा fat layer now. Climb
Just two layers.
2 layers.
Uniqlo.
He has lot of glycogen.
1, 2,
ఇది చూపిస్తున్నాడు.
3.
Had fun today ride.
Oh yeah,
You?
very fun.
Especially the last bit, 15 kilometers. Next level fun. Amazing.
Best touring roads, best off roads, best river crossings.
Everything was mad.
Everything.
Best.
All ticked.
Anyway, tomorrow morning, plan is to leave by 6 o'clock. Hopefully.
Whenever we can get coffee.
Washroom, I'm not going to show you.
No, sure. It'll be
I'll
fun.
show?
Sure.
Okay.
Show the washroom.
Anyways, this is our tent. Pretty big tent, but beds are like okay. Works for the night.
Works.
But the monument is here. Sarchu ka monument. You want to see? Enjoy. This is the beautiful washroom. I mean, like literally కంకర్రా లేసి దాని మీద ఒక సింహాసనం పెట్టిరు. We'll have a great transformation tomorrow. Going to Manali, we're trying to book the best hotel possible.
7-star.
That has to compensate with this
7-star
situation right now. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button. Do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog with chilly cold weather. Okay. Chalo, tata.
Ibra Mari.
We are trying to do some.
It's an old iPad, right?
It's a Gen 1 iPad.
2% charged.
2% charged since.
You took
Don't
some
waste your
photos?
battery like that. Tata.